It is said that necessity is the mother of invention. The SnapWords Story is no different. It began with a group of bright young children who were struggling to read. Children who were stuck sounding out every word. Reading was hard. Reading was work. And worst of all, reading was not fun for the students or their teacher. One November day, the word help was on the whiteboard. The class sounded it out together. Just 10 minutes later, the students didn't recall having ever seen it. In desperation, their teacher, SnapWords creator Sarah Major, asked, "What does this word look like to you?" Mitch said, "It looks like someone raising their arms, yelling, 'Help!'" Sarah quickly sketched a drawing around the word, transforming it into the scene Mitch described. She added a body motion, raising 2 arms, and added context with the story, "Help! Help!" No longer did the students need to sound out help, because it was locked into their brains forever. The process of creating SnapWords began. Sarah selected a word, sketched it, and discussed it with the children, making changes based on their feedback. By March, the entire class was reading well above grade level, and they had amassed a collection of over 300 words the children could read in a snap. And that is how SnapWords were born, not out of the need for another tool designed by adults for what makes sense to an adult, but for children, by children and their teacher.